Here at the International Airlines, they got this crazy little statue, tug of war with a snake or a dragon.
It's a piggy bank. Oh my god, it is a piggy bank.
Check out these little Buddhas here. They're actually like miniature little Buddhas, and they actually have a piggy bank. So you actually put money in them and then get blessed at the same time. Pretty funny, pretty cool.
For some reason, at all these airports, they have all the like high-end stuff: Cartier, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci. You got your Chanel, your Prada, your Estee Lauder, Hermes. Got some original bubblegum, almond milk cream, caramel, cookies and cream, cocoa, like
Okay, do you want glaze or you want to try this one too?
Oh, I'm good.
You good? Okay. Can you get one glaze?
All right, here's some of the airport food we got. We got some beef noodle pho, basically, some rice, egg omelet, tom yum gang, and some green beans, broccoli, spinach type of deal, and an egg, and Americano espresso. Let's go. All right, round two. We just landed out here in Cambodia. Let's see what Cambodia has to offer. Let's go. Well, right now, actually, in Thailand, we didn't have to fill out a visa or immigration card, arrival card. But Cambodia, you have to fill one out because I think Thailand, you get a inlanding or whatever it's called. I don't know. I can't talk right now.
Welcome to Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Let's go.
Nice road. We're starting off at 1710. There's a room here at Marriott. You gotta always enter your key for the lights to work. Got the interesting switches. That's what they got here. You got your closets to your left. You got standard iron boards, your slippers, robe, iron, extra pillows, hangers. Got quite a few hangers. Oh, they got a safe. Oh, they got dry cleaning. Your safe, of course, and I believe this is the fridge. Nice, there you go. Nice fridge. Got complimentary waters, mini bar. It's upon request. Coffee maker. Your teas and your drinks. Here's a quick glance of the rooms. 2-bedroom. You got your digital thermostat. Bathroom, really nice. You got the nice tiled floors, really clean. Looks like it's pretty much really new. They remodeled or something. This looks all brand new, honestly. You got the square sinks, oversized counter, top there with the gray in the tops, the drawer, the hair dryer, and you got a weight scale. That's interesting, maybe for your weights. That's interesting, or your suitcase. Garbage can, recycle and above. You know, you got the Asian outlets. You can actually see through. I'm not sure why the Asian rooms they have where you could see through the. I can't even pull it back. Okay, maybe it's locked. I don't know. But nice tiled shower, glass doors, and you got a bench seat, of course, which is always nice. And you got the brand Nerve Botanicals for the shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And you got the wand handle for the shower and the raindrop. Nice. That's always a nice touch. And let's see if you got a bidet. Kind of got a little sprayer there for you. Not really a bidet style. Got your nice robes, towels, and all you got your toiletries. You got toothbrushes with it. Nice. Shaving kit, shower cap, a couple glasses, even more water, tissue box, and your mirror, makeup mirror. And let's go ahead. So the bedrooms, definitely full size, good size. Could definitely fit 2 people if you wanted to. And of course you get your pen. Oh, nice, nicer pen. I like these pens. Notebook, little Bluetooth kind of alarm clock, and run your telephone. You got the front desk and the restaurant button. There are a couple of restaurants here, So we'll show another review of what they look like. You got 2 plugs right by the bed there, which is always a good touch. You got the back LED in the back, a nice little art piece in the wall. Little high ceilings. I would definitely say they're about 9-foot ceilings. Good standard ceilings. You know, you got a regular TV, cable, drying rack, table here. And as you see, you got quite a few restaurants here. Open it up for you real quick, just give you an idea. Mongongs, squid, pork, $7.50. Oh, they actually put in American dollars. Maybe a lot of Americans stay here, or US. And you got a nice lay down couch here. Got a relaxed taste of the whole side of the wall. And of course, here's the view of Phnom Penh of Cambodia, folks. We are actually here during the time when the president and the first lady are here. Kind of like myself and my girl. I'm kind of the king and queen. That is just a joke, folks. Don't take it serious. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this view. All right, and just like in Bangkok, out here in Cambodia, right like 5 minutes in, they give you this complimentary dessert, macaroons, rocky road type of deals, some limes, some iced tea, and a provolone or something, some kind of little desserts, praline. So that's pretty cool. Thanks, Marriott. This is awesome. Great service.